Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking a look at the Pitaka Mag EZ Digital Travel Kit. Let's check it out. You can see here in the corner it comes with 3 cable adapters. It also has a 16GB flash drive. It's compatible with the MagEZ power bank. It has a built-in memory card reader. And of course it can hold some credit cards. And if I flip it around to the back side, have some nice illustrations here and what everything does. Let's take this bad boy out. And just like the MagEZ UE, comes in a pretty nice magnetic case here. And as I open up the box here, you can see the MagEZ Digital Travel Kit right here, but there's also a thank you card. As we saw before, this is held in by magnets. So slap it down on the table real quick to get it out. Oh look. Warns. Now, if you guys saw my Pitaka Mag EZ UE video, you're gonna know exactly what that is, but let's put this off to the side and let's concentrate on the digital travel kit here. And I'll give you guys a nice close-up of the digital travel kit here from Pitaka. And while you guys are checking this out, let's talk about some of the features. So the MagEZ Digital Travel Kit is basically a 10-in-1 carbon fiber wallet. It comes with a Type-C charging cable with adapters that can charge almost any device that you have. It also comes with a USB flash drive and has a built-in memory card reader. And as a wallet, it can hold up to 3 chip and PIN cards or business cards. And if you are using this as a wallet, you don't have to worry about skimmers because it is RFID protected. As we saw in other Pitaka MagEZ products, you can add or remove layers as needed. So if you have the layers from previous MagEZ wallets, it will be compatible with this travel kit. And it's also compatible with the MagEZ power bank, so that's pretty cool. But if you have the MagEZ UE, unfortunately, it's not compatible. The built-in memory card reader supports MicroSD, SDHC, and SDXC flash memory cards. And just like before, the card module is not compatible with magnetic strip cards. It may demagnetize them. And it also comes with a 12-month warranty. Alright guys, that's enough of the quick features. Let's talk dimensions. So the MagEZ Digital Travel Kit has a length of 4 inches, a width of 2.7 inches, and a thickness of 0.48 inches. And they say it weighs 2.75 ounces on the website, but from my tests, it weighs 3 ounces. That's 86 grams, but I weighed it with all the accessories still in the wallet. And realistically, that's how we're all gonna carry it anyways, so I'm gonna weigh it with everything inside. So if you guys are familiar with the MagEZ or the MagEZ UE wallets, it's gonna work exactly the same way. So it's made up of all carbon fiber layers that's held together by magnets. It has one larger magnet on the bottom there to pivot, and then it's stopped and held into place with the 2 magnets right here on the top. So you can see once I put this cover plate back on it, it just pivots on that bottom magnet and almost locks into place when the 2 magnets on the top come into contact with each other. And overall, flipping through the layers works fairly well with the magnets. And that's easily my favorite part of the MagEZ style wallets, is flipping through these layers. It just seems very easy. It's very functional to access your cards once they're in here. And it's just as easy as before to take out any of the layers that you don't need. Say for example, I want to take out that card layer, and now boom, I have myself this super thin, tiny little travel kit. But now I need to carry a couple credit cards, so let's get a couple of my cards in this middle layer here. Take the top back off, slap it back into place. It's just that easy. And yes, this top layer does have another spot for a credit card, so that's where the 3 card capacity comes in as a base model. You can carry 1 card in the cover and 2 in the middle layer. But as I said before, you can add as many of these middle layers as you want to, as long as you purchase them from the website, or if you have a previous MagEZ wallet, you can just take those layers out and slap them in this digital travel kit. But just keep in mind, if you do have strip cards, they will not be protected inside of this wallet. So they recommend PIN cards or chip cards only. If you guys want to carry this style of wallet and have strip cards, well, I would recommend the Pitaka Mag EZ UE. And I did do a review on this already. I'll put that link right below in my description box. But now let's get to the fun stuff. This bottom layer right here. So you can see right here we have a Type-C to Type-C charging cable. This is a Type-C to Lightning adapter. This is a Type-C to micro USB adapter. Right here is a Type-C to Type-A adapter. Then we have a SIM card ejection tool right there. That's awesome. And then right here at the bottom we have a 16GB USB drive. And then we have 2 blank spaces here. The top is for your SIM card and the bottom slot is for a spare MicroSD card. And everything fits in here pretty tight. Almost too tight. Half the time I can't pry these out of their little spots. So what I do is I just take out the little SIM ejection card tool and just pry them out that way. So this comes in handy. Now let's take a look at this Type-C to Type-C cable here. Now as you can see, the cable is pretty darn short. I measured it from end to end here and it comes out to be 7.1 inches. And then not counting the USB Type-C portion of it, it comes out to be 6.5 inches. And you can see even the cable has that carbon fiber look at the very end, just like all the adapter pieces here. And even on the Type A and micro USB adapters, it has that carbon fiber on the outside. So I have to give Pitaka props on the look of these adapters because they're actually really nice looking. And I've tested out all these adapters. They work flawlessly. So let's do the Type A. Fits on perfectly, just snaps right in. And on the other end, let's do the Type-C to Lightning adapter. So let's test this out on my iPhone XS. So I plug in the Lightning adapter there and plug the USB Type A in, and there we go, charging. So regardless if you have an iPhone or an Android phone, this little digital travel kit could come in handy, especially if you need to charge your phone in a pinch. And right down here we had that 16 gigabyte flash drive. Wow. All right, so let's test this out. Let me insert it into my USB drive on my computer here. Inserted. There you go, recognizes it. There it is right there. So I tested this out before, but I'm just showing you guys that everything looks like it works as advertised, at least so far. Now, one of my favorite features of the digital travel kit is the built-in memory card reader right here on the side. Now, getting this little side door open is difficult, but just use the SIM card ejection tool. Opens right up, and what I like to do is press on it because you have to press on it to eject it. There we go, just like that. So just insert your MicroSD card, and once again, I can't click it back in, but yeah, perfect. You just take your Type-C to Type-C charging cable right here, and you can see the little port right there. Just insert the Type-C cable into that, clicks right in. Use the Type A adapter right here, and now you can just plug this into any computer and start transferring data. So once again, I think that is one of the best features of this little travel kit, is having that built-in card reader. Because now you can put whatever size micro SD card in there and you just have almost unlimited storage. So once you plug the USB into your computer here, plug it in, and I don't know if you guys can see, but right there is a tiny little LED that's flashing. So that's how you know it has power and it's working with transferring all your data. Or if you just want to carry a spare micro SD card, it just fits perfectly into that little slot right there on the bottom. So if you guys can't already tell, I really like this digital travel kit. My only real issue with it is just how short the cable is here. But looking at it here, I'm not really sure how long they could make it fitting in this little body anyways. And everything just packs up so conveniently here. And when you're done with it, just slap the top back on it. Got your cards in there, ready to go. And now I do have some extra layers here, and I'll show you what these extra layers do. So this layer right here, or module as they call it, is the money clip. So as you can see, if you fold your bills in half, it will not fit. You basically have to fold your bills into quarters or thirds, and fits in perfectly. This card layer right here is exactly what we saw in the middle here. Basically the exact same deal as you see right here. And the extra card layer just gives you the ability to carry a couple extra cards. You have to make sure it's on the right way, slap it on. There you go. So now I just made the wallet a 5-card capacity wallet, but you can see it can get pretty darn thick. And this last layer right here is called the box clip. So with the box clip, you can carry extra flat keys. You just stick it right in there as so. You can carry extra coins in here, as many as you can fit. That's 3/4. And then just lay this right on the top, but now it's gonna make everything pretty darn noisy. But it's still a pretty nice solution if you need to carry extra flat keys or some coins around with you. But these extra layers are an additional cost. They do not come with the digital travel kit. And then one last thing, this is the Pitaka Mag EZ UE, and you can see the MagEZ UE is slightly larger. So this is why I was saying if you have layers from the MagEZ UE, they will not fit just because just slightly larger, and That's unfortunate. I know the reason why they made the MagEZ UE just a little bit larger, but I just wish everything was compatible with each other. All right, so what do I like about the MagEZ Digital Travel Kit? First off, I just love the sleek aesthetics of this. I think it looks great. Everything is made of carbon fiber. It just looks clean. Next, it's just super lightweight being made of carbon fiber, especially as a base unit. I think the functionality of the MagEZ system is very nice. Getting cards in and out of this wallet has never been an issue for me. I think this is a great functional wallet. And as a digital travel kit, I think they thought of everything here. Being able to charge almost any device and have it this portable is extremely convenient. And on top of that, being able to store your data or photos on this USB flash drive or making use of this built-in digital card reader, I think it's great. And just like in other MagEZ wallets, I like how versatile it is. If I want to carry something super minimal that day, I can just add layers or take away layers as needed and just carry whatever I need. So what don't I like about the MagEZ Digital Travel Kit? The first thing is I don't like the fact that if you forget you can't put magnetic strip cards in here, you have the chance to demagnetize your cards. I know most of us still have magnetic strip cards, and one day I just might forget, put it in here, and then erases my card. And the second negative is just how short this Type-C to Type-C cable is. I'm not really sure how they can make it bigger, but regardless, it's still relatively short at 7.1 inches overall. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the Pitaka MagEZ Digital Travel Kit? Now, would I recommend this? I absolutely would. I think as a travel kit, Pitaka thought of almost everything. Now, if you guys want to check this out for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!